sa lahat aking nakilala. Iminulat mo ang isip ko sa ganda nitong mundo. Nakita ko ang lunas sa aking kalungkutan. Iba ka sa lahat, iba ka kung magmahal. I saw you tonight, and the road where love was started once before. And we open up the skies with your loving eyes. You take me back where you belong in my heart. Now, frozen in time, never be a bad love, it's mine, but I still remain, and I will never change. I will always love you. I will always take your heart. And all the years of losing you and then being close to you again, the very chance that I could take your heart, your hands and mine. You are inside of me one more time. Don't you remember me? And the days that lie ahead, they all go wrong. But tonight, my love, there's no place in my mind where we should be. And it's clear that you're alone and I'm alone, and all the fools have gone. You open up so tears fall from your eyes. Love can never die. We can make it one day if we try, whether sunshine or rain. And I will never change. I will always love you. I will always take your part. And all the years of losing you and then making love to you again, the pretense that I could take your heart, your hands in mine. I've got a memory for all time. Don't you remember me? Though my dream will come true if you love me. Oh, I will always love you. I will always take your part. And all the years years of losing you and then making love to you again. Never a chance that I could take your heart, your hand in mine. I will always love you. I will always take your part. And all the years of losing you and then making love to you again. The very chance that I could take your heart, your hand in mine. All my life was a paper, once pure plain white. Then you added some music, green note was in play, and anybody could see all the changes in me by the look on your face. And you decorated my life, created a world. Dreams are apart, and you decorated my life by painting your love all over my heart. You decorated my life. Like a rhyme with no reason, in an unfinished song. There was no harmony, life means nothing to me until you came along. And you brought out the colors, but a gentle surprise. I won't able to see all the things life can be, shining soft in your eyes. And you decorated my life, created